In this video, I will be showing you how to change the language in Google Chrome mobile app browser. So let's get started. First thing, just open Google Chrome and to the rightmost top you will be having the three dots option. Click it, and if you scroll down here, we'll be having settings. Select that, and under settings, if you scroll down, we'll be having languages. Click it. So first I will show you how you can change the Google Chrome's language itself, then we can see how we can change the website's language also. So first, to change the Chrome's language, we are having the current device language, right? Click it and just choose any language of your choice over here. If you don't know your language, you can simply search it over here. So I'll just select any random language like this, and if the language is not downloaded, it will download it for a while and it will be getting automatically restarted. Now as you can see, the language has been completely changed. If I go back, so as you can see here, the language has been changed inside the google.com also, as well as in the Chrome browser. If you want to change only the preferred language of the website, here under preferred languages, click on add language, and here just select a language of your choice. Again, I will go with Spanish. After that, just click on the three dots next to Spanish and select move to top. It will be coming number one over here. So now as you can see here, everything is in Spanish over here. Even the results that we get are in Spanish. But if you go to the settings, they will be still in the English or the language that you have selected over here. So the top one is for the Chrome's language, and the next one is for the language in which you want to get the website's content. If you want to change it, you can just click it and remove or move down. That's it. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Learn a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.